Page 28, this is a QI theme. I don't know what QI stands for, but it's a theme of some sort. And this is a duet. This is the bottom part of, or the secondo or secondo, depending on what country you're from, a duet. And the top part of the duet is on page 29, and I'll cover that in the next lesson. So we're just going to talk about the bottom part. And you can play this duet, two people, on the same keyboard, because the bottom part's down below and the upper part's up above, and you can actually move down to where the notes where you're at is in front of you. I'm not going to bother, I'm too lazy to move, but that's it, because you'll notice in this page there's only one staff. It's not a grand staff, it's just a single staff with a bass line, bass clef, and that's it. Which hand you use is up to you. You can use both hands to help out if you want, but for the most part, it's probably left hand. You have to figure out what the notes are because you're starting out really, really low. Let's look it over. It's a page long. There's only one staff. It's a bass clef. One sharp in the key signature. We're ending on a G. I'm guessing it's in G major. Make sure you can do the scales in arpeggios for G major and E minor, because E minor has one sharp in the key signature also. And then 4/4 time signature. And we're just taking it 1, 2, 1, 2, 1 E and a 2, 1 E and a 2. The rhythm's got to be accurate because another person's playing, and if you're not accurate, you're both, then you're not together, and it's a mess. So 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and 3 E and a 4, 3 and 4, 3 and 4. That's basically the rhythm throughout. Just the notes are changing until you get to the end. The last three measures, you're 1, 4, and that little quick little note, just a quick little note, right before the main note. Some people will play it before the beat. I play it on a beat. I don't care, just play it quickly, and then down. And that's pretty much it for the bass part. Not a lot to it. The dynamics are moderately, you got to stay out of the way, because when it's a duet, the melody is what they want to hear, and the melody's in the other part. So you got to stay out of the way and follow the melody. So if the melody screws up, you got to stay with them. If they hesitate, you got to hesitate. Just make sure you're not the one hesitating. They got to follow you. You follow the melody. Remember the dynamics? You're starting out kind of slow or soft. And then you'll gradually get a little louder, like in pick up to measure 6, a little louder. So follow these dynamics, but keep in mind, unfortunately, whoever did this, they gave the dynamics the same in both parts, and that doesn't work. You got to be a little under what the top part is doing, maybe. You have to judge it. When you're down here, and they're up here, that's not so bad. You can still hear everybody, but you can drown them out very easily down here. So you have to tone it down a little bit. These dynamics are just general guides. You have to listen to it and balance with the other person, but the other person is in control, really, of the dynamics. You just stay under them. Give you an idea in case you want to do the duet. I'm going to play the top part on the next page, and you can play this part along with them. I'll give us 4 counts. We're going to take it more, I don't know if it's totally up to speed yet, but sort of up to speed. I put the metronome on quarter notes because it's kind of fast, but we'll try it at this speed. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2. Just make sure these dotted rhythms are dotted and not triplets. Don't go ba-dee-da. When it starts rocking, da-dee-da-dee-da, that's a triplet. The short note's got to be really short. Keep them all real short. That's how fast we're going to go. I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 3, 1, 1. 4, 1, 2. 3, 4, 1, 2. 3, 4, 1, 2. 3, 4, 1, 2. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4.